8 data centers are moving in on one Texas county, and residents have packed the commissioner chambers to fight back. The vote is tomorrow, and what happened to a neighboring county that tried the same thing is a warning. In Bell County, Texas, 8 data centers are either proposed or already under construction near the city of Temple. More than 40 residents packed a county commissioner's workshop on June 1 to demand action. Commissioners are weighing a moratorium, but they're watching what just happened in neighboring Hill County, where a developer's lawsuit crushed a similar ban in just 2 weeks. The vote is scheduled for tomorrow. That opposition is now making its way into courtrooms. In Hill County, Texas, commissioners passed the state's first county-level data center moratorium on May 12, the 3-2 vote against RCM Hill's Project Aquila, a planned 1,235-megawatt facility on 800 acres. 2 weeks later, the developer filed a federal lawsuit in Waco calling the ban illegal. Facing potential liability, commissioners voted unanimously to rescind the moratorium on June 4. The lawsuit remains active in federal court. And the reason these battles keep intensifying comes down to one thing: who pays the electricity bill? Oregon just became the first state in the nation to actually answer that question. Under the state's New Power Act, Portland General Electric filed to raise electricity rates 29% for data centers while cutting residential bills by 1.3%. The new rates took effect June 10. Yet despite all that resistance, construction is pressing forward. In Saline Township, Michigan, 10 miles southwest of Ann Arbor, workers have broken ground on what Governor Gretchen Whitmer calls the largest economic investment in state history, the Saline Barn. A $16 billion Oracle and OpenAI campus covering 250 acres, with 3 buildings totaling 1.4 gigawatts. The town previously voted against the project. Construction began anyway. And the financial commitment behind that construction is staggering. The largest data center acquisition in history is about to close. BlackRock's Global Infrastructure Partners, Abu Dhabi's MGX Fund, and the AI infrastructure partnership backed by NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Elon Musk's xAI are acquiring aligned data centers from Macquarie Asset Management for $40 billion. That's more than double the previous record, set just last year. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment. It helps us cover more of these stories.